I am in London today to try and find some of the best sandwich shops this place has to offer. You know, I have got this amazing series called Between the Slices, and people often ask me where can they find good sandwiches in London. So I thought I will go on this journey and try and find some of the best sandwich shops that you guys have suggested, because I did ask the question to you guys. So I am back in London for my second stop, which is Dal Fiorentino. Now I am going to go in and check out the menu, check out the sandwiches, and then rate it according to its price, its filling, and most important, the bread. Right guys, just to tell you of the location, this is kind of just, we walked 10 minutes from kind of central Leicester Square area. This is the Great Titchfield Street. It is quite central and easy to get to. But before I go in, can I just show you the queue to go in? I have come here just at the peak lunchtime, my mistake. But the queue to go in is long. Thankfully, I have got time and I can stand here and then wait for my turn. Right, I have just gone inside and picked up their menu, which has got around 10-12 classic sandwiches, and then they have got 8 gourmet sandwiches, and actually they have got 2 sweet sandwiches as well. So that's the whole list. I am going to go for one of the classic and one of the gourmet, and might have to try one of the sweet, you know, someone has to do it. So I am sitting inside Dal Fiorentino, which is a place I understand 2 people, Andrea and Christina, brought the Florentine Scacciata bread to London. And this actually opened in 2022, then they opened another one in 23, another one in 24, another one in 25, which is incredible. They must be doing something right. We saw from the queues outside that this is quite a popular place for lunchtime sandwiches, and super excited to try these sandwiches. And I have never tried Scacciata before. It's a special bread from Tuscany. These 2 people kind of learned the craft, and then once they mastered it, they brought it to London. They make their breads themselves, they make their fillings themselves from pesto and all the fresh ingredients, so which is quite a good thing. And when I asked you guys to suggest some sandwich shops, this was one of the most suggested shops. So having learned this craft in Florence, they brought it over to London so they could get something quite genuinely Italian in London, and I think they've managed to do that. So I am going to cool down with a lemonade. Lemonade. It's a hot day here in London. Oh, that's good. So I have got their turkey sandwich, roast turkey, cheese, and grilled vegetables, and some form of spread they put in. The crunch on the bread. That bread. Wow. That bread makes the sandwich, my friends. I want to get into the vegetables. What are the vegetables? I found a piece of vegetable in there, which is grilled courgettes. I don't know if you can hear the crunch, but that is good. Okay, the name of this one is Beatrice, and this comes in at £9. It is massive, and there is no way I can finish it all. So I would say, again, eat half and half for my train journey. Or you could share it with someone. This one is their gourmet sandwich, and it has got whole burrata. Did you see her cut it all up and put it in? It's got courgettes, it's got pistachio pesto and rocket. This is what I have chosen for myself. That's a mouthful. It's delicious. The bread. Filling is lovely too. They're simple ingredients, very, very well done. They have nailed the bread, like nailed it. Ingredients is all delicious. It hasn't got any salt. I did see her sprinkle some, but boy, it's craving for salt and pepper. At the moment, you can taste the ingredients, everything is delicious. I want salt! This one with the whole burrata is Il Magnifico, and it comes up at £9.50. That burrata is worth it, and again, a massive sandwich. Some of the sandwiches you can even have a smaller size, and they are just around half the price of it. Right guys, it's time for dessert. That's the pistachio. I'm laughing because that's going to be good. What's not to like? Bread, pistachio cream, sprinkled with icing sugar. That is my idea of heaven. And this comes in at £4.50. So I've had the sandwiches, all of them. I've got a sweet tooth, so obviously I prefer the sweet one, but I think that fresh mozzarella, their gourmet sandwich was outstanding. When it comes to rating, I wasn't sure whether I'm going to be doing rating for this series, but I did it for the first episode, so it's fair enough I do for the second. And I would have to go for 4.5 out of 5 stars because I think the bread is just sensational. Even though it's supposed to have lots of olive oil, it didn't feel oily. The crispiness was off the charts. The filling was fresh. I think I could not give it that 5 stars because it just needed seasoning for me. I'm not saying it needed spices, it just needed salt. But other than that, it was definitely worth every penny that the sandwich costs. Okay, so that was a great sandwich shop. If someone was coming to London, I would recommend it just to try for the bread alone itself. It was so good. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I cannot wait to read your comments on this, and whatever you do, don't forget to subscribe, share, and I will be back in my own kitchen cooking up something delicious soon. Till then, bye.